Now, today we discuss about what is the geometric series test with example. In the last lecture, we have already discussed what is the meaning of geometric series test. So let us again take first its definition and then we go to take one example. A geometric series A plus AR square plus AR cube and so on is converges if modulus of R is less than 1, diverges if R is greater than or equal to 1, and oscillates if R is less than or equal to -1. This is geometric series test. So let us take one example to use this geometric test. Test the convergence of the series 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus up to 1 upon 3 to the power n. Let us try to solve this question. The given series is geometric series. Why it is geometric series? Because here the first term a is equal to 1 upon 3 and the second term is the multiple of first term. Third term is also multiple of first term. So this can be written as 1 upon 3 this is the first term plus 1 upon 3 whole square second term plus 1 upon 3 whole cube. This is third term and so on. So in this manner, we can write down this series, and similarly, if we simply, we are able to see that this is nothing but a geometric series. Here the first term is 1 upon 3 and second, and the common ratio is nothing but 1 upon 3 whole square divided by 1 by 3. So the 1 will cancel and we are getting 1 upon 3. Or we can say that common ratio are equal to second term divided by first term, which is equal to third term divided by second term, which is equal to fourth term divided by third term. So now, if you simplify it, we are getting 1 upon 3. Now, since the common ratio R is less than 1, so according to the geometric series test, the given series is convergent. Hence, by geometric series test, the given series is convergent. Thank you.